This video is targeting your plant sponsors, your plant leaders, whether they're in maintenance, operations, procurement, stores, or general plant management. I challenge you to show this in your next lead team meeting, have a short discussion afterwards. My commitment is to push this towards 2 minutes. Today's topic is from a viewer challenge. What is reliability and why is it important? This is Joe Kuhn of Lean Driven Reliability, bridging the gap between best practices and the reality that you live in every day. If you have an asset-intensive business, few efforts to improve results will have more impact than creating a reliability culture. Reliability has two main parts. The asset works correctly, first time, every time, on demand. You hit start, it goes at the right quality, right speed. Second thing, all of this is at the lowest possible cost through efficiency of work that maintenance executes, maybe some operators and during operator care like your PMs or PDM. And you have problem solving. How do you get better? How do you learning? Improving your mean time between failure. You're reducing your planned downtime as well as your unplanned downtime. Why is reliability important? If you think reliability is just about reducing R&M spend, you're missing 8 components minimum. Okay, and I'll detail a couple of them here. It's not just the labor and materials and downtime, but also it's the opportunity cost of poor reliability. Poor environmental performance, poor safety performance, lost sales, all these are linked to poor reliability. Your resources are exhausted restoring flow instead of working on innovation and improvement. Improvements in design, improvements in yield, improvements in labor efficiency could be operators and maintenance people. The opportunity cost of a reliability effort is often 3 to 10 times the impact that you have on R&M spend. So you're missing a lot if you're just looking at R&M spend. How many programs and initiatives are you working on at your plant that have this 9-to-1 impact? One stone kills 3 birds. No, one stone kills 9 birds. Sorry. Thank you. This is Joe Kuhn of Lean Driven Reliability. If I can help you out, send me an email, give me a comment in this YouTube video, reach out to me for an experienced guide, and take a look at my book.